So the first thing you should do is definitely create a backup before you do any kind of migration, as I've done here. Now, because the new version, the 2.0 version, is a UPM package, you can't simply import it. Now, at the time of recording this, the new version isn't published yet, so I'm just importing it here. And as you can see, this looks wrong, right? There's things not selected and you can't select them, and there's like this folder, but also the packages folder. That's because now it's in a packages folder as a UPM package. Now, what I've done is I've made sure all the scripts and prefabs and everything have the same GeoID as before, and that's the only thing that matters. It doesn't matter if the path of an asset changes. So all you have to do is, that's why you should definitely make a backup, just delete this entire folder, and then you import it. Or in your situation, it would be re-download in a package manager and import files. And now you can see everything is selected here. There's only the packages entry here. Everything is selected and I can import it. Just click yes here. You're very likely to have used demo assets like the road materials and meshes and prefabs that came with this package. If you only created your own ones, you can skip this step. But what you need to do to get those back is you need to go into the package manager, because that's how UPM packages work. You go to in project and this will show up here as a local custom package. Samples, you import those samples. And now everything's back. Now these icons here are missing. You just have to restart Unity once, or click on re-import assets or whatever. And there we are. You might have to just construct graph again. And that's it.